Hey guys, just a quick tip today. I'm working on the Honda Odyssey 2012 and it does that annoying beep, and I can't do it right now, but when you start it up, it does an annoying beep, and I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the door. I've had trouble with these doors before and I've replaced cables, and really it's just these doors are a problem on these cars. Sometimes I wish things were just manual, but I know it's convenient. What I'm finding is the problem, if you look in here, look how dirty and gummed up this track gets. It makes that door just not want to move, makes it difficult to move. So I'm going through and I'm cleaning out my tracks, and I'm putting some white lithium grease inside here to solve the problem. And let me show you the other side. And I'll show you how I got all this apart in a second. This side is working much better. I have the door if you look how, oh, that moves nice and smooth. I still got a little cleanup to do on it, but that's how I take care of these doors. And I wish I took a video before, but I didn't. But if you try to pull, it kind of hangs up and doesn't want to move really well. And you think it's, maybe motor resistance or something, but it's not. It's actually dirt in the track. One thing I left out, guys, don't forget about the bottom track. It's up under here. I find mine doesn't get as dirty as the top one, but check that out too. Clean that out and grease that up. So let me show you real quick how you get these side panels off. There's two bolts in the back when you lift your door up, and they're this Torx type. I'll get you the size in a second, but they go in there. This is what I use to get it off. Looks like maybe it's a T40, sorry, not even close, T40. And then up on this front side, when you look at the side piece, let me flip it around the way it would look. There's a hole right there. There's a screw that goes into there, and it's just, I think that was a regular Phillips head. But anyway, it screws right into that piece right there, that white plastic piece. So anyway, just a quick tip on how I do these. Another thing you may have to do is take these two Phillips screws out, or otherwise 1/4 inch, maybe, I can't tell, to pop that tail light out to be able to pull. Because if you look at these side pieces, they have these little locking tabs all along here, and that's how they lock into place and then slide up right here to get that screw in. So that's what I do to keep these tours running and moving. It's a lot of work you shouldn't have to do on a car, but hey, I'm into keeping them running and trying to keep my wife happy. So that's why we're doing it. Anyway, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a quick tip, and we'll see you next time.